In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play music while at the same time you are playing games on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you would like to accompany your Roblox games with music that is outside Roblox, it's quite simple. First, just go to the music app or to your music files, and here find the music that you wish to play. For instance, this. And then once you have found the music, you can leave it playing. So I'll lower the volume. And at the same time now, if you exit, the music will continue playing. Then head over to your Roblox games. And here, go ahead and launch any game that you wish to play. And at the same time, while the music is playing, you will be playing your Roblox games. So that's how you can play music while at the same time playing games on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.